Today, you will learn how to change font of line numbers in Word. If your document already has line numbers, that's great. But if you don't have them yet, I'll quickly show you how to add them first. Go to the Layout tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Inside this tab, look for the Line Numbers option. Click on it and then choose Continuous. As soon as you click it, you'll see line numbers appear on the left side of your document. These numbers automatically count every line in your document. Now let's learn how to change the font of those line numbers. This is the part many beginners struggle with because the option is a little hidden inside Word, but once you learn it, it becomes very easy. On the Home tab, go to the Styles section. You may see different styles like Normal, Heading 1, Heading 2, and others. In the bottom corner of the Styles pane, click the small arrow button to open the full Styles pane. This will show all the styles used in your document. Inside the Styles pane, look for a style called Line Number. Sometimes it may not appear immediately. If you don't see it, click the Options button at the bottom of the Styles pane. Then change Select Styles to Show from Recommended to All Styles and press OK. Now, scroll through the list and you should find the line number style. Once you find the line number style, move your mouse over it and click the small drop-down arrow next to it. Then click Modify. A new window will open where you can completely change the appearance of your line numbers. From here, you can change the font style to something like Arial, Times New Roman, Calibri, or any font you like. You can also change the font size if the numbers are too small or too large. If you want, you can make the line numbers bold, italic, or even change their color. As you make changes, you'll see a preview in the window so you know exactly how your line numbers will look. After choosing your preferred font settings, click OK. Instantly, all the line numbers in your document will update with the new font style. You can also customize other things related to line numbers. For example, if you go back to Layout and click Line Numbers again, you can choose options like restarting numbering on every page, or restarting after each section, or completely removing line numbers from the document. You can even hide line numbers for specific paragraphs if needed. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.